Hello, good morning students, and today we are going to start a new topic in nationalism in Europe, and the topic deals with unification of Italy. So the topic for today is unification Italy. We all know that Italy is a country situated in the continent of Europe and to the south eastern part of Europe, and it is a Mediterranean country. Why? Because the Mediterranean Sea surrounds mostly Italy, and the shape of Italy is rightly like a boot shape, like a shoe it is shaped, and is an elongated land. Means the length of the land is more than the width or breadth. So we are going to study about how Italy of today or modern Italy was organized and unified in the 19th century. Italy today we find that it is a single country dominated by the Italian speaking people, but in the 19th century and before it was not like that, because at that time Italy was dominated by Austria in the northern part, or the states in the northern part were dominated by Austria. In the middle part there was Rome, which was ruled by the Pope or the religious head of the Christian community. Only one state, Sardinia Piedmont, was there, which was ruled by Victor Emmanuel II, an Italian prince. And in the south, the Bourbon family of France ruled the rest of the states. So in Italy, find they were dominated by three types of rulers. It was ruled by northern. It was ruled by Austria. Then Rome. It was ruled by the Pope. Then Sardinia Piedmont. It was ruled by Italian prince. Victor Emmanuel II. South Italy, it was ruled by Bourbon kings of France. So this was the political condition of Italy in the 19th century. And the people of Italy were speaking the Italian language. They wanted that their country should be united, like Germany, where there should be a single ruler and that ruler should be of Italian, because this ruler will provide them political as well as the freedom in terms of development. So the people of Italy, they were fighting against the oppression of the rulers like Austrian rulers and French rulers. तो कहने का ये मतलब है कि जो भी लोग इटली में थे वो फाइट कर रहे थे विदेशी ताकतों के खिलाफ, मेनली ऑस्ट्रिया एंड फ्रांस. एंड इन दिस कंटेस्ट we have heard of Giuseppe Mazzini. Giuseppe Mazzini was a revolutionary from Italy, and he organized two organizations, Young Italy and Young Europe, to fight against the foreign powers. But he was not successful so much, and this work was done by this person, the Prince of Italy of Sardinia Piedmont. He was the person responsible for the unification of Italy. Then Cavour, Prime Minister of Italy. Sardinia Piedmont. And Garibaldi. An Italian sailor. So in the unification of Italy, there were three persons who were: number one, Prince Victor Emmanuel II of Sardinia Piedmont, then Prime Minister Cavour, and the third person was Garibaldi. ये तीन लोग थे जिन्होंने इटली के यूनिफिकेशन में अपना योगदान दिया, विक्टर इमैनुअल, कैवर और गैरिबल्डी. सो हाउ डिड दे यूनिफाई इटली? इन्होंने इटली को कैसे यूनिफाई किया? हाउ डिड दिस पीपुल इन लोगों ने इटली को कैसे यूनिफाई किया, इसके बारे में हम लोग यहाँ पे ध्यान देंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ऑस्ट्रिया वाज डिफीटेड इन वार with the help of फ्रांस. पहला काम उन्होंने ये किया कि ऑस्ट्रिया को हराया फ्रांस की सहायता लेके, और जो नॉर्दर्न इटली में ऑस्ट्रियन डोमिनेंस था तो खत्म कर दिया. इन दिस वे द नॉर्दर्न स्टेट्स ऑफ इटली दे बिकेम द पार्ट ऑफ द इटालियन एम्पायर. देन रोम, द पोप accepted the proposal, and the city of Rome and its parts, they joined the Sardinia Piedmont. In southern Italy, where the Bourbon kings of France were there, the people revolted. southern Italy में वहाँ पे जो पीपुल थे, लोग थे, वो रिवोल्ट किए बर्बन किंग्स ऑफ फ्रांस के अगेंस्ट में. एंड गैरिबल्डी वाज द पर्सन हु वाज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस रिवोल्ट. तो वहाँ पे गैरिबल्डी जो था, जो पर्सन, उसने क्या किया कि लोगों को भड़काया, विद्रोह किया, और वहाँ से बर्बन डायनेस्टी जो फ्रांस का था वहाँ से उनको भगा दिया. In this way, southern Italy also became part of Sardinia Piedmont, and in this way, the unification of Italy was completely taken place. And at last, what happened? The whole of Italy became a unified nation, and King Victor Emmanuel II, he became the ruler of Italy united. तो इस तरह से जो इटली था पहले टुकड़ों में बटा हुआ था, विदेशी शासन था उसमें जगह जगह, उसको समाप्त करके एक छत्र इटली का स्थापना हुआ, जहाँ पे इटालियन भाषा और कल्चर बोलने वाले लोग रहते थे. और इस प्रकार आज का जो मॉडर्न इटली है उसका गठन हुआ. और पहले इसके रूलर कौन बने? विक्टर इमैनुअल II. ही बिकेम द रूलर ऑफ इटली. द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ कैवर कैन नॉट बी अंडरएस्टिमेटेड. कैवर वाज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंड ही वाज ए वेरी क्लेवर डिप्लोमैट. कैवर जो थे उनको इटली का बिस्मार्क भी कहा जाता है, बिकॉज ही कंट्रीब्यूटेड टुवर्ड्स द यूनिफिकेशन ऑफ इटली, एंड हिज डिप्लोमेटिक बिहेवियर was responsible for the unification of Italy. In this way, he made Italy a very strong nation, which we find today on the map of Europe. Therefore, that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day.